Okay, hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to do a CSS battle, live CSS battle we are going to do, and we are going to solve some battles. So you have in my previous live streams you can see I have completed some battles, like I created this headphone and this sunrise, and too many I already completed, but now there are new battles like this one. So we are, oh, these are the game type. Okay, very interesting, very interesting. Okay, nice. Which one I am going to do? I am going to do 2 3 or from there. Let's create the hover. Let's open the hover, and here we have, in the hover section we have 8 battles. Okay, first I am going to complete the, which one I need to complete first. I'm going to complete the Pokemon first. Okay, let's create this Pokemon game. Pac-Man, sorry. Pac-Man game first. Pokemon. Pac-Man, sorry. Pac-Man. Okay, remove all the comments and let's start with, okay, now I have 2 divs, and let's add the class A and add another class B, and let me just copy paste this. Okay, oh, I just submit the editor is very bad. Okay, no problem. C D and E. Okay, and okay, let's add C class in all of them, then add D and E class. Okay, I am going to use A for this, B, C, D, and thus another B class for this, and C and D for this. Okay, and I need something for here. Okay, I need to add 3 black boxes. Okay, I am going to copy this and paste it, and I am going to copy paste this one more time. F F F F G H and I. Okay, I have too many dips now. Like, all these are the all dips that I am going to use, and that's it for the HTML part. Now come to CSS part and just remove the last this, and also first do some body background. Okay, then let's do the div position absolute, then let's, okay, I don't think I anything else I can do it here. And let's do for A. For A we need background yellow, and I need height 50 pixel and width 50 and top 0 and left also 0. Okay, dot A, sorry. That's why I am not able to see anything. Okay, let's do the top 100 and 120. Okay, left 50. Okay, this is good. Let's make the bigger 60 60. Okay, this is right. Let's do the border radius for all. Border radius 50%. Left 60. Okay, very nice. And see the animation here, like when I hovering, that's opening mouth, close mouth animation. Very nice. Okay, now let's create the B. B is going to very similar, like A and B going to have the similar, very similarities. Okay, so let's add A also here. Now in the B, I only need to change the left to like 200 or 300. Okay, 260 or 280 maybe. Yes, 280 is the right. And let's copy the background. Okay, now we have the background. And let's do the border radius bottom. 0. Okay, border bottom. Okay, sorry. It is, oh sorry, control S. Why it is not working? Let me just inspect it. Okay, border bottom. Okay, Okay, get it. Sorry. Bottom left hand. Yes, okay. Bottom left radius, and let's copy this, and bottom right. This is what I was thinking. Yes, what this is too much. Let's do the other way, like 50%, 50%, 0, 0. Okay, this is shorthand, and this is very simple. Okay, now let's do the three circle in the middle. Oh, small c. Okay, now for the c we had the background, white background, and I am going to use only 3F because we know how these things works. Okay, let's copy all of these. Yes, we need height of 10, width of 10, and then top of 160, 140, okay, 150, no, 145. Yes, 145, and from the left we need 160. Yes, 160 is looking right. Let's do the 170, 175. Okay, 65. Yes, 165 is right. Let's do for D. For D, we need to change only the left position. Let's do 85 or 190. Yes, 190 is right. And for E, we need to change only left to 1, like 210, 215. Okay, let's add 195 and 220. Oh, too much. Yes, 225. Yes, 225 is right. Now we only have to add the black part here and 3 black part in the bottom. Okay, that's it. Then our first battle is complete. Okay, nice, very good. Now what to do? We have F. For F we need to use the default background color, and okay, and then we need to add, okay, width 20 pixel and height 20 pixel. Why I am writing px here? We don't need write px because here we need to reduce the characters that we type. Okay, for let's make it red for some time so we can see where it is. Okay, here it is. Let's do the top to 200 or 180, 160. Okay, 160 is right, and left to 200, 300, 280. Yes, it is the right place. Okay, border radius is going to be 0 for this one, and we need to add transform. Okay, first let's check the new rotate property working or not. 45 degree 40. Okay, new rotate property working here. This is the new latest rotate property. This is added just in the latest release of the Chrome 105. Previously we had to do the transform, then we had to do the rotate function, and then we had to do the 45 degree like this. Okay, I rotated 45 degree, then again rotated 45 degree, then it is rotated 90 degree. So this is what I am saying, that this is also working and the new thing also working. So let's remove the old thing because it is having many characters. Okay, this is cool. Let's position it accordingly. Make it 170 and 110 is less. Make it 15. Okay, 15 is going to be looking right. Yes, 15 is good. 4G, we only need to change the left to 300. Okay, let's copy paste it. Okay, here 4H, make it 320. Okay, it is very similar. Let's do the left 182, 302, 22. Yes, let's change the color back to the black. Okay, 171. Okay, 171 is, yes, it is good. Now we have only need to change the eye position and height and width also. Okay, let's copy all of these four properties, paste it here. Okay, for some time let's make the background only for some time so that we can see what we are doing. 150, 140. Okay, 140 is right, left. Let's do it 1 0 0 1 0 0 is right. Okay, I have to make it big. Okay, 40 will work. Yes, maybe 40 work. And let's make it 135. 90. Okay, let's do it 30. 35. 35. Okay, yes. Top 130. 132. Yes, it is almost in the right place. Just remove this line. Okay, It is almost same. Let's submit it and let's see the 100% match. Okay, 99.9% match. Where is the 1% we are? Where 0.1% we are losing? We are losing the 0.1%. Okay, we have to make 132. Let's submit again. Left, make it 94. Make it 133. Where we are losing the 0.1. Let's see the different. Okay, we have different here. Difference. Okay, we have minor difference here in this line. Okay, let's 93, 94, 95, 95, 132, 94, 131, 133. Okay, 132.5, 93.5, 94.5, 95. Okay, I think now we have to do something here. And what is it? It is related to the, yes, this. Let's do the 170. Okay, still 16, 16. Okay, now it is 100% match. Oh. After too many iterations, it is 100% match. Let's reduce some characters and then it's done. Okay, let's try to remove this and submit it again. Still 100%. Okay, very good. Can I remove DEG? No. Okay. Okay. Okay, this is the boring part. Okay, what? No problem. Let's do the boring part also when we are doing live video, because here we can't do the fast forward. Like, you can't do the fast forward here. You have to watch complete whatever I am doing. So just wait and see what is happening here. This is just, I am removing the characters so I can get more points for writing, for completing the battle in less character. We got some more point, but the difference is not very much. Like, we get points in decimal only. So but still I am doing this because it is something. Okay, I noticed something that, yes, I can remove the last div section from here and nothing gonna change. And let's remove this and remove this. Okay, and I can remove one more thing also, which is, yes, write it star here and remove it from here. Yes, like I change the background color of everything to black, so I not need to change the background color here because every element in this page is now black. Okay, very nice. Now just remove the new line from everywhere. So that's why we can get the 18 line characters back. Okay, okay, now everything is in one line. Let's see how many points we are getting. We have 600 decimal 13 points. Okay, let's submit it. Now we have 601 point. Okay, we got something from doing this. Okay, now let's see our rank. I don't know what was the rank earlier, but however, let's see the rank, and you can also compare the rank by seeing the my starting, like the live starting video where I was on the same page. So you can compare. What I don't remember what was the rank, but currently we have 3573. Okay, very nice. Now let's do another battle. Okay. Yeah. Now I think we need to create this game. Yes, this game is simple. We can easily create this game. Okay. Okay. For this battle, the solution is open, so we can easily see the solutions. Open target have all the top solution public. Learn new tips and trips by applying them to other targets. Okay, but I'm not going to see the solutions for this one. Okay, let's try to complete this one without seeing any solutions, because the top solutions are very confusing. Because for some previous battles I see the solutions and they were very confusing, so that's why. Let's remove everything. First I'm going to add the, okay, let's first understand. We have the black div. Okay, so first of all create a div. We have a black div. Okay, inside a div we have four red div and a design created by four green div. Okay, then we have two white divs. Okay, I think that's it. In the div we are going to create some div. Okay, then we are going to add the class here. Okay, now we have for this red sections. Okay, now we need to add four more div for this green design. Let's just copy all of these. E E E E E, and now here we have F G and H. Then we have two more div which are going to be I and J. Okay, that's it. I think this is the all the HTML part that we are going to need, and we don't need this last two closing divs. And now we can start our style. Let's start for A. For A we have, okay, let's start from B. For body not bossy. For body we are going to need black color, no, green color. Okay, so we can make everything green, so that's why we don't need to make these items, we don't need to make these item again green. Okay, then for A we need to make it background black. width 100 pixel, height 100 pixel. Let's make it percent. Okay, let's do some margin of 10 pixel. Okay, okay, let's do this thing. Border box. Yes, something like this. We have to do border box something because in VS Code we have the automatically we can complete the lines. So that's why I didn't remember what was the prefix for this. Like after this, the margin will going to be count as the width. So that's why we are not going to do the sum weird minus the calculating the width with CSS. So that's why. There is something what I don't know right now. Okay, no problem. We are going to do it our way. Okay, the margin from top and left, why are not same? Okay, now it is similar, I think. This is black, FFF is white. Okay, my bad. Okay, now it is fixed, but let's do this in other way. 380 or let's do 360. Okay, 360 and 260. Yes, it is working fine. For B, we are going to add the background color as red. Then we have to do the position thing. Top left, right left, and width 20 and height 10. Okay, here we have a very small box. Okay, now let's make it realistic. Okay, something similar. Okay, something similar. Okay, we have. Okay, this is in the right place. Okay, now let's do something for C. For C, we only need left 140, 160, 180. Yes, 180 is the right. Now for D, we are going to do left and top as well. For top, we are going to make it 120, and we are also going to change the width to, like, we have 80, 80, 80, 160 and 20, 180. Okay, then we need to make it 80 only, make it 60 only. Width we need to do 200. Okay, let's do it 140. And yes, here we go. Day is complete. And for E, we need to do similar. We need to change width to 40. But we need to change the height to similar height, like this, 200. Then we have O. Okay, okay, this is E. Okay, B, C, D, E. Oh, my bad. F, 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 G, H, I, J, J, K. Okay, no problem. Now we have something to work with. We don't need to change the top. We need to change the left. 260, 80. Okay, let's make it 300. Okay, 300 is right. Let's do it 180 height. Yes, 180 height is right. Okay, we are completed all the level part, but now we need to create the gun character and the bullets. Okay, what is the name of this level, by the way? Tank. Yes, this is not bullet, this is tank. Okay, we need to create the tank character, then the tank bullet characters. Okay, now we have to deal with F. Oh, now what we are going to do with the F? For the F thing, we are going to do the F is already green because everything is green. So we just need to do the some things. If I am going to do position absolute, I did position absolute for B, but I need to do this for everything. Then what is going to happen? Okay, this is not bad at all. Everything is relative. Okay, like now everything is relative to the A. Inside A, everything is now related to the A, so we are going to change only the padding and something for A only. Okay, no problem. Just remove the position absolute from here because we don't need it. And for the A, the margin 20 and 20. Okay, 20 is very much. Let's make it 10. 10 and 10 is small. 12. Yes, margin 12 is working. What now? The thing is that we have to do the something padding 40 pixel. Okay, now again let's remove the 40 from the width, make it 320 or 280. Yes, 280, 180. Okay, now we only need to do this 0 0. No, no, nope, 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 nope. Padding thing is not going to work. Just make it 320, whatever it was earlier. 360. Okay, 160, 260 it was. Okay, make it 40 and 40. To 80 and the left one here 160. Okay, everything is fixed. Okay, this one D1 top 120. Okay, now everything is fixed. Okay, no problem. This was something that I need to fix one time, so that's why we don't need to do the same thing again and again. बड़े बड़े शहरों में छोटी छोटी बातें होती रहती हैं. No problem. Width is going to like something 40 and height is going to like 10 and top is going to like 1 not yes 200 no 180. Yes, 180 is right and left is right. Okay, match this. Okay, in the completely right position. Okay, very good. For G we are going to do the bottom, the second tire, first tire then second tire. Okay, don't need to change the width, no need to change the height, and no need to change the left, only top. Okay, 220. 200, no, 210. Yes, 210 is the right. Now let's do it for H. Now for H, we need to width going to be the same and height going to be the same. Now I am going to the create the middle part, the gun part. Okay. So for this we need to change the top to 190 or 200, 195, 195, and left to like 60, not 60, 50 only. Yes. Now I need to create the only middle part, which is going to join all the parts. I, and the I part is going to have the width of 20, I think, and height of 30, and we not need to change the top part, only left part to 50. Yes, it is only the right place. Okay, nice. Now now we have only need to create this last thing, white plots. Okay, background is FFF and height is 10, width is 10. Oh, not B, J, it's J. Okay, and top is similar to the middle line one, 195, and left is going to be like 60 or 90, 110. Okay, 105, no, only 100. Okay, 100 only. Okay, very good. And for the K we need to change the only left part to 110 or 115 or 120. Yes, 120 is the right. Okay, let's submit it and get the 100% score. Okay, in first attempt we get 100% match. Very nice. Now let's do the boring part. Boring part, boring part, boring part, boring part. But why we need to do this? I think the Vettel, they need to add a button here like something minify your code. So that's why, because everybody know that after minimizing the code we are going to get the more point. So everybody is going to do the same, what to help the warriors in this battle. CSS battle need to create something that will going to help us, and we not need to do this boring part, because this is the boring part. Boring part, boring, boring, boring part. And after completing this, I am going to see oh, the top solutions so that we can compare our solution with others, that what approach that other people took. So that's why we can see what we can do to improve our score. Okay. Okay, remove all the new lines. Remove all the new lines. Okay. Okay, now we have 600 points. After minimizing the code, we have 601 points. Wow. Very good. Let's see the top solutions. Top submission. Two submissions are here. Okay, they are cheating. They are using the Unicodes like this one, like this Unicode. They are using this Unicode for this part, and that Unicode from the bottom part, and this Unicode for all the lines. Okay, they are doing all these unicorn code for the bloods, so they are definitely doing the cheating. These are not the real solutions. I think CSS Battle need to block all of these types of code that they are doing, and they are also doing the path thing, which is not allowed in the CSS Battle. Like SVG part on all of these things are not allowed here, so that they are doing the cheatings. Okay, no problem. We are doing good, and this is what which is matter. Let's see our rank now. Okay, I one more time I forgot my previous rank. What was previous? But currently we have 3,456 rank. Okay, no problem. You can check how many rank I go in the top after completing one battle, so that's why. Okay, do I have time to complete one more? No, I don't think. My live is currently 59 minutes long, and it is going to be 60 minutes long, like 1 hour long, when I'm going to stop it. So that's it, guys. This is the CSS battle for today. I done 2 CSS battle today, and this is it. Thanks for watching, and please retweet has the restore the Snyderverse if you want to watch the Zack Snyder Justice League movies, Justice League 2 and Justice League 3 and Man of Steel 2 movie. So that's why if you love Zack Snyder's movie and you love all the Snyderverse, like We have Azure Cut also in the Snyderverse, and Wonder Woman 1 is also part of Snyderverse, and Aquaman we can take it as part of Snyderverse, but with some changes. So all the complete DCU that Zack Snyder started with the Man of Steel. So if you like all these movies, so you definitely some first learn about the Snyderverse, what we are fighting for, and then you can also support us. So that's it all for now. Thanks for watching.